Goeiemôre, good morning people. Op datum van die besigheid. Update of the flood story going on here. It's the 23rd of May 2026, Saturday, Saterdag die 23ste Mei 2020, and it went down a little bit more. Yes. As you can see, the debris up here and the tap I was talking about is now visible. So the water is there, and there is the tap. Kraan is hieronder. Daar. Kraan beter sien nou. Daar is hy. So. Koppeling weg oopmaak. So. En dan was die bo daar. And thunder there, up there. Okay, so slowly going down. Zwarte rivier. It's called the Santa River, the Santa rivier. Waarom? Santa rivier nou weet ek nie. Was 'n swart rivier. It was a swart river. Okay, now it's 2.9 meters. And it was right up to 3.65. A level with that. So. Right, so it went down quite a bit. Het redelijk gesak. Nog nie 'n meter nie. Nog minder as 'n meter gesak. It went down not yet a meter down yet. Haven't gone down a meter yet. Okay. Sun is going to rise up there. It's early in the morning. A quick update. Vinnige opdatum van die video story van die vloed. Dit is die derde keer, this is the third time it came down, but this time was the highest. Hierdie keer is dit die heel hoogste die jaar. The highest this year, die hoogste die jaar. Kyk nog 'n bietjie na die berg. So the sun sets over there. And it rises there, somewhere there. Kom daar op in die oggend en gaan in die aand daar onder. So. hope I'm in the video. bietjie so maak en dit wat afmaak. En dit wat safe. As my overall on, ek het my oorpak aan, ek moet gaan werk aan 'n voertuig. I must go and fix somebody's vehicle. That's why I'm dressed in an overall. Dis hoekom ek hulle oorpak aan het. Want ek moet werk aan 'n voertuig op die Saterdag. Goed. Totsiens. Dankie vir om na die video te kyk. Thanks for viewing this video. Until the next video. Bye bye. Thank you for subscription. Dankie vir subscripsie. Right. Bye. Totsiens.